Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Hello there, Poem Sayori here. I haven't saw you guys in a long time. And in this episode, I'm going to preview the peeing sound effect from Paulina-chan. It was heard in the video called Warning, Gacha Pee, Sister Mimi peed herself, #Gacha Pee. It was uploaded 3 months ago on July 21st, 2025. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 0:33 to 0:38. The total seconds are 5. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I'm going to play it, and I'm also going to preview it. It sounds like this. See? I already told you that the sound effect would sound like. The sound effect is only used for IRL Noella's OCs characters when they pee in the toilet, including me. Although I don't test the sound effect myself, but I do in future episodes. But anyways, I'm going to end this episode right now because I'm too lazy to do the ending.